If I could start over and learn digital marketing from scratch, I'd approach it like a curious explorer, ready to dive into the vast ocean of knowledge. First, I'd lay a solid foundation by immersing myself in the basics. I'd start with understanding the core concepts: SEO, content marketing, social media, email marketing, and PPC. Each of these elements is like a piece of a puzzle, and knowing how they fit together is crucial. I'd begin with SEO because it's the backbone of online visibility. I'd read up on keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush. I'd practice optimizing content, learning how to craft compelling meta descriptions and title tags. I'd even experiment with on-page and off-page strategies, understanding how backlinks can elevate a site's authority. Next, I dive into content marketing. I'd explore different formats: blogs, videos, infographics, and learn how to tell a story that resonates with an audience. I'd focus on creating valuable content that addresses pain points and answers questions. I'd also familiarize myself with content calendars and analytics to measure engagement and refine my strategy. Social media would be my playground. I'd choose a few platforms to master, like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. I'd study the algorithms and learn how to create shareable content. I'd engage with communities, participate in discussions, and understand the nuances of each platform's audience. I'd also experiment with paid ads, learning how to target specific demographics and analyze the results. Email marketing would be next on my list. I'd learn about building an email list, crafting compelling subject lines, and segmenting audiences for better engagement. I'd explore automation tools to streamline the process and understand the importance of A/B testing to optimize campaigns. PPC advertising would be my final frontier. I'd get hands-on experience with Google Ads and Facebook ads, learning how to set budgets, choose keywords, and create eye-catching ad copy. I'd analyze performance metrics to understand what works and what doesn't, constantly iterating my approach. Throughout this journey, I'd prioritize networking. I'd connect with industry professionals through LinkedIn, attend webinars, and participate in online forums. Learning from others' experiences and insights would be invaluable. I'd also seek out mentorship opportunities, as having guidance from someone seasoned in the field can accelerate my learning. Finally, I'd embrace continuous learning. Digital marketing is ever-evolving, so I'd subscribe to industry blogs, listen to podcasts, and take online courses to stay updated on the latest trends and tools. I'd approach every challenge as a learning opportunity, celebrating small wins along the way. In this hypothetical restart, I wouldn't just focus on theory. I'd apply what I learned through real-world projects, whether it's volunteering for a local business or launching my own blog. By combining knowledge with practical experience, I'd build a robust skill set that prepares me for a successful career in digital marketing.